Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all must be doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss about Raspberry Pi. Let's see that introduction first. It was developed by Raspberry Pi Foundation in association with Broadcom, which is a series of small broad computers and perhaps the most inspiring computers available today. Okay. Creator Eben Upton's goal was to create a low-cost device that would improve programming skills and hardware understandings at the university level. The Raspberry Pi is slower than a modern laptop or desktop, but is still a complete computer and can provide all the expected abilities that implies at a lower power consumption level. Okay. The first version was developed in the year 2012, and the model was Raspberry Pi 1 Model B. Okay, and the latest version is Raspberry Pi 5 in 2023. Okay, now let's see the architecture of Raspberry Pi. It is a small single board computer. It is a credit card sized computer that can be plugged into a monitor. It acts as a mini computer by connecting the keyboard, mouse and display. It has an ARM processor and 512 MB of RAM. Now let's see each of the components in detail. First is processor. Raspberry Pi uses Broadcom BCM2835 system on chip, which is an ARM processor and video core graphics processing unit. It is the heart of Raspberry Pi, which controls the operations of all the connected devices and handles all the required computations. The second is HDMI, that is high definition multimedia interface. It is used for transmitting video or digital audio data to a computer monitor or to the digital TV. This HDMI port helps Raspberry Pi to connect its signals to any digital device such as a monitor, digital TV or display through an HDMI cable. Okay. The third is GPIO ports, that is general purpose input output ports, which are available on Raspberry Pi, which allows the user to interface various input output devices. The fourth is audio output. An audio connector is available for connecting audio output devices like headphones and speakers. The fifth is USB port. This is a common port available for various peripherals like mouse, keyboard or any other input-output device. With the help of USB port, the system can expand by connecting more peripherals. Okay. The sixth is SD card. It is available on Raspberry Pi, which helps with an operating system installed in and is required for booting the device. Okay. The seventh is Ethernet. It allows access to the wired network. It is available only on the Model B of Raspberry Pi. Okay. The eighth is power supply, and micro USB power connector is available onto which a 5-volt power supply can be connected. And the other is a camera module. Camera Serial Interface CSI connects the Broadcom processor to a Pi camera. Okay. And the last is display. Display Serial Interface. It is used for connecting LCD to Raspberry Pi using 15-pin ribbon cables. DSI provides a high resolution display interface that is specifically used for sending video data. Now here comes to an end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.